So what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the fake Hermes for your AirTags. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when next videos come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like these ones, and a bunch of reviews, little reviews, and see if they are even worth it or not. So here we go. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Go ahead and check it out. Spoilers alert, they are actually pretty worth it. For those of you who doesn't want to spend that much money for Hermes leather bands, they are worth it, but see for yourself. We're gonna do some close-up looks as well and see how well they are. So yeah, basically these are the fake Hermes that I've ordered from AliExpress and also in Amazon. I think you could find them there now. But yeah, so this is like one of these. I think Apple makes one of these as well. And this is the AirTag that fits in there. There you go. It doesn't fit there fully. I think if you could see there on the top, it does kind of have a little bit of a protruding there. So it's up to you to decide if that's a big no-no or if that's good enough for you. I think for me, that is pretty good. The top here as well, as you could see there, is also magnetic. So there you go. So they do have that feature, and the back is exposed as well. If you were able to engrave anything for your AirTags, you'll be able to see that on the back there as well. On the front, I have the AirTag kind of like the metal piece kind of sitting on the circle right here on the hole. Like I said earlier, on the top here, it does fit very tightly. So there's times that it wouldn't have that perfect fit. So right now it is a perfect fit, but once you pull it out a bit, it would have that protruding right there. So like I said, if that's a no-no for you or not, let me know in the comments below. So I think this is actually really good. This is one of the better quality ones that I found of the the fake list, right? Let's try out the other ones and see how well they look. So this guy is one of the loops right there. I don't like this little string up here, so if I were you, if you're gonna get one of these, I would just take this right off and maybe put it on a keychain or something like that. But with that being said, let's try to fit our AirTags and see how well it fits in there. So basically just try to fit that right in there like so. It fits snugly right in there as well. It does fit that front right there, so you can see there. Very nice, right? There you go. And then this loop here, very cheap loop there, but it does do the job if you want to use it. What I would do is there's this little strip right here that kind of connects it together. It kind of looks bad, so what I would do is I would use that as my inside one so no one can see it. There you go. And then I would loop this right around that like so. And there you go. Judge for yourself if that's any good or not. What do you think of that? Comment below. There you go. Now let's do the other one. Last pick here. The I think this is my second favorite out of these three. This is definitely my least favorite, but if you're gonna use this with just a keychain on top, then I would think that that's pretty good. It does fit well. There you go. Now this clasp right here is very nice. It has a little keychain thing right here. Very cool design right there, right? It has a, you know, little clasp right there. Very premium, right? There's also this button right here where you could take off so that you'll be able to put your AirTags right in there, like so. Very classy, right? Very nice. But the problem with this is this part right here is super tight. So if you're looking at this and you want to put your AirTag, it's super tight. It's not, doesn't fit all that well, but if you force it in, you'll be able to put that in there. There you go. Very nice. So like I said, if you force it in, it does fit well, as you guys can see there. The side view there. Very nice, very nice. There you go. It does fit well, and then you would just put this back like so by putting that right there. It's like a belt, and then you would put this on the loop first, like so. And then you would just button this up like so, and you're good to go. That's it. Pretty cool, right? I think this is my second favorite. This is obviously my most favorite because it has the best features there, like the magnetic right there, right? And then you would just put this on a bag or something like that. You would be able to have that classy look of Hermes. And that's it for today, guys. If I was able to convince you on the fake Hermes without paying that much price for the real ones, and if you could afford it, of course, get the original one because they are the best ones. They make the best leathers. These are obviously fake leathers, so if you don't want to mess with these, then don't buy them. But if you are like me and you're too cheap to buy the original ones, then you'll be able to grab that fashion and still have the, you can have the looks, and yeah, you could you don't have to pay the premium price. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below if I was able to help you. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.